I've decided to take a little vacation. The boys are going to stay home and take care of the farm and the animals. We have brought along one extra. Hi, Ginger. She's going to go with us this time, and we're going to see how we do taking her along. Bill's driving right now. We're still in Kentucky at the moment, and not taking too much of the interstate. We're taking some more of the highways, kind of that type of thing. And we've seen some really pretty land. Tell you what, Kentucky's got some of the most beautiful farms we've seen. All those horse farms and things like that. Yeah. So, wish us a safe trip. Out before us, you can see some of the Appalachian Mountains starting to come about. Our destination is Mount Airy, North Carolina. We are in Virginia. At home, they were having hail. It's looking pretty good here, but I guess there's been some weather coming through at times.
You're not going to give up your job when you get married? Women don't do that anymore. This is the 20th century. I know, it's century. Don't you think we better start getting that dinner on? It's ready. Ready or not, let's get going with on with the next one. Okay, folks, dinner. You get an iron guarantees your food to stay hot. Ours after you've eaten them. You want to go to that one? Sure do. Well, then we better stay with you. You know, say something.
Call Sarah. Otis.
Yeah, that's just, yeah, sleep.
The fun girl's blouse. We're walking downtown in Mount Airy and we come across a few cool things. Like that's Walker's soda fountains. And on down, well, there's a car like what they've had. And on down we saw like Opie's candy store, Snappy Lunch, kind of things. Floyd's Barbershop is on down through there. So it's pretty nice just being able to walk these streets. would you say this one is? Mayberry Union High van or bus.
Yeah.
Just like in the show, we got Emmett Sticks' shop. And we got the Mayberry Courthouse here. I like how they put all the different cast members' names right around it. Here we are in Otis's jail cell. Go out, we don't want to get locked in. There's the key in case we do, though. Go over and see if the chair fits. Think Sarah will call?
Do what?
I said, do you think Sarah will call?
Hello, Sarah!
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlin Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlinff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlin Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.